How bad do we want to make Bobby look? That's the question.
Oh my. Oh my.
I don't need any help. Good ball.
Nice, beautiful.
Good ball.
Today I'm playing at the Mission Hill Resort and Golf Club. I am way out of my league.
Maybe I'll play with my non-sticky ball on the green this time. See, it's shiny.
That's all right.
Straight down.
Don't feel bad. I'll be right there with you.
You love the water.
You know, you could have said
Son.
hole in one, but I'm just saying.
Love the water. Well, we got to get closer to the hole. Sorry.
It's got to get closer than realistic. It's got to get closer than realistic.
Today we watch history being made, a legend on the PGA Tour. People all around the world are watching this man play. He is only known as Jimmy, the golfer. Jimmy the golfer is hitting his 18th consecutive hole-in-one. If he makes a shot, he will be the greatest golfer of all time.
Hole in one. Do you see that?
And he made it. Oh my gosh, he made it. I can't believe it. Nobody can believe it. The crowd's going crazy. He made it. Yes. Good for Jimmy. I'd actually go with a 7. I think it's a little bit deceiving.
Yeah. It's in the center.
That's true.
Oh, you're 7? Oh
Yeah.
my gosh, I'd hit it way over past the...
You gonna hit the 8?
Yeah.